Here we come to the elevator at the Reid Cline building in downtown Hickory, North Carolina. It's an older Otis Series 1. I think someone might have called it. Looks like somebody was just using it. This is an older Otis Series 1 LRV hydraulic elevator. Someone's gonna be it, so we're gonna let them off. Does it have a sensor? Kind of does, but barely works. The hole's just literally closed on me. Here's your phone, and this was installed in 1987. It's in the basement. Let's close the door up. There's music down here. One and two are burned out. Oh, the music is not playing this time. Surprised. I want to get a good shot of that, of the B indicator lighting up. I didn't get a good view. I think what we'll do is we'll go back down to B one more time, and then we'll end it at 1. I don't know which one the B lights up on the indicator. Perfect. All right, here we are at 1. Your Otis sign. I mean, look at this. The sensor barely even works. I mean, it does work, but just a delayed response. Other than that, this is myself. There it goes, and that's it.